Traffic rules test at a roundabout. Who is breaking the rules? Task. Which driver is breaking the traffic rules in the situation shown in the picture at the roundabout? Answer options. 1. The driver of the white car. 2. The drivers of the white and blue cars. 3. The driver of the red car. 4. The driver of the blue car. 5. The drivers of the red and white cars. 6. All drivers are violating the rules. 7. None of the drivers are violating the rules. Analysis of the problem. The driver of the red car is about to enter the roundabout. The driver of the white car is about to turn around, and the driver of the blue car intends to exit the roundabout. It is clear that the driver of the white car is breaking the rules, as they are not complying with the requirements of the roundabout road sign, which requires drivers to drive around the flower bed, Central Island, in the direction indicated by the arrows of the roundabout. The driver of the blue car, exiting the roundabout, is about to enter the right lane from the far left. Let's read the traffic rules. Turns must be made in such a way that when exiting the intersection, the vehicle does not end up in the oncoming traffic lane. And when turning right, the vehicle must move closer to the right edge of the roadway, except when exiting an intersection where a roundabout is organized. The driver of the red car, entering the roundabout, intends to do the same. Let's read the traffic rules. Before turning right or left, including the direction of the main road, or making a U-turn, the driver must take the appropriate extreme position on the carriageway intended for traffic in that direction, except when turning in an intersection where roundabout traffic is organized. So, you can enter and exit a roundabout from any lane. Correct answer number 1, the driver of the white car.